Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of being happy and the fact that you're actually meant to be happy now. That is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in either my Manifest Your SP course or my Perfect Self-Concept course. To enroll, simply click the very first link in the description box down below or go on Kaminski.com. You can also book one-on-one coaching with me where we talk one-on-one about your specific situation. To book that, click on the second link in the description box down below, or again, go on Kaminski.com. And to join my collective coaching, simply click the join button right next to my name or click the third link in the description box down below. I intend that this video changes your life for the absolute best. And with that, let's get into it. The point of life is to be happy. You will find that once you manifest this person, job, amount of money, house, car, situation, circumstance, your dream life, you will again find something to want to manifest. That's not the problem. The problem is that you're channeling your happiness to an outside source. You're not being happy within. And what's the difference? The difference is if you are finding happiness from an outside source, you are depending on a person, situation, or circumstance to make you happy. It's as simple as that. You are giving something outside of you control. True power is when you're able to go within, and no matter what happens in your 3D, you are not only unfazed, but you're able to find what makes you happy. You are the controller of your happiness. You know how to focus your awareness on the good in your life. You are able to not react to the unfavorable. Once you learn how to do that, you will be unstoppable. So it's not to say don't manifest those things outside of you, but it's to say learn how to be happy. When people say this, they don't go into the details, and I could never fully deeply understand what they meant until I went through it myself. Are my subscribers, is my business, is my SP, is the amount of money I'm earning per month, is my beauty, is the fact that I'm living in heaven on earth, aka Sydney, Australia, is my loving, supportive family and my parents who are still together, is every single one of these things, my pets, I can go on. This video will be an hour long. I'm so appreciative of all of them. Is that something that defines who I am? No. Are those things making me happy? Yes. Are they the only reason why I'm happy? No. If I didn't know how to go within and appreciate them for what they are, will I be happy about those things? No. See, if I was dependent on external sources to make me happy, I would be wanting more and more, and I do. But I don't feel empty because I'm appreciative of the things that I have now. I am happy. I don't feel like I'm in lack because I'm appreciative of the things that I have now, and I have mastered being in control of my own happiness. So even if I have a fight with my SP, even if my subscriber count slows down, even if I gain weight, that's not going to stop me from being happy because I've learned how to create happiness within myself. It's not the thing that is making me happy, it's the fact that that thing is in my life and I'm giving it attention within my own self, within my own focus, me appreciating it for what it is. That's what's making me happy. Do you see the difference? So let's say that you are earning $15 an hour and you want to make $100,000 a year. If someone wasn't able to regulate their happiness within themselves, they will do all of the manifestation tricks in the book and they will get that earning $100,000 a year, and it will make them happy because it's an external source for a little while. But then they will again feel empty and they will again see it as not enough because of their perception of that $100,000. It's never the external thing, it is your perception of it. And the paradox is that when you have a perception on not a specific thing, like not a specific thing to do with your money, but an overall appreciation of your life, and you're able to control your happiness because you know, I have the power to ask myself, what can I do to make me happy in this moment, and fully act it out and fully enjoy it in this moment. That is what a happy person does. You will be able to appreciate anything and everything in your life. And the paradoxical thing about that is you'll be able to level up and level up and level up in your life in terms of your external circumstances. But this time you will be able to appreciate it within yourself. You will be a happier person because of these external circumstances, but the happiness is coming from within, not from the outside. The outside can change and you will always still be happy because you know how to appreciate what you have, while also knowing, of course, that you are deserving of the best and knowing that you deserve it right now. So when you have that assumption that you deserve happiness right now and you appreciate the things that you have, that creates magic. And when you do get that thing, you can move on to the next and the next and the next. We were quite literally built for that. We were meant to develop and grow and expand. That's not the issue at hand. It's the fact that from level 1 to level 100, you are happy, you are happy, you're happy, you're happy, you're happy, you're happy. There are many depressed rich people. There are many depressed poor people. There are many depressed celebrities. There are many depressed people that feel like they don't have a purpose in their life. It's not about the outside circumstance. It's what can you do with your situation right now to make yourself happy. Not force it, but thinking in your mind like, what genuinely can I do today that I can physically do in this moment to make me happy? Even if you have $0 in the bank, even if you have responsibilities, take time in your day to ask yourself, what will make me happy right now? Is it a walk around the block? Is it petting my cat? Is it watching YouTube videos, funny animal videos, learning about history? Like, it doesn't matter what it is, but if you are focusing more on what makes you happy now, you'll be transported to a timeline where your subconscious mind sees that you prioritize yourself and you can also appreciate every single thing that you have. And it's just magic. It truly is magic. And when you have responsibilities, like you have to go to work, you're taking care of your children, you're making the most of it. What do I mean by this? You're listening to music when you can. You are making plans after work, or when you have time to give your children away to your mom or to your partner, you're making plans outside of that that excite you and you're thinking about them, right? Or in between you're snacking something yummy, or in between you're doing the things that do make you happy, like quickly scrolling TikTok or calling a friend, or, you know, making games with your child or watching movies with them, you're just making the best of every single moment and appreciating what you have. Not everything that you have, but out of all of the things that are in my experience right now, what is just one thing that I can give my focus to that I may be able to appreciate? It can be the house that you live in. It can be the fact that you're alive. It can be the fact that you have a friend. You have a family member that adores you and they genuinely, unconditionally love you. That is divine, that is holy. You can be appreciative of the mentality that you have. You can be appreciative of the fact that you know about the law of assumption. Trust me, wherever you are at in life, that mentality of you being happy from within, in the way that I've explained it, is going to take you so far. And I'm talking damn near instantly. And you'll be 1000% far ahead of everybody else, because when you become a multimillionaire living in your mansion with all of your loved ones around you, with a high education, with everything that you've ever wanted, you're actually going to be able to appreciate every single thing in your life for what it's worth and genuinely revel in it and take pleasure in it. That's what life is about. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.